On this week's Farm to Skillet, Chef Jordan Lloyd prepares Oysters Rockefeller, but with an Eastern Shore twist.
What do you do when you want some great oysters during those hot summer months, those months without an R? I'm Chef Jordan Lloyd of Hamilton House Events and Catering, and I'm here to dispel the myth that you can't have oysters during those hot summer months. I'm here with Tilghman Island Seafood, with my good buddy, Mr. Nick Hargrove, who just harvested some beautiful gems from the Eastern Shore of Maryland. Hey, Nick.
Hey, Chef, how's it going?
Good, man. Great to see you.
Yeah, you as well, man. We're just getting back in here. I want to show you two different types of oysters we caught this morning.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic.
Right.
What do you got there?
Well, these here are the ones that come off of our bottom leases.
Okay.
As you can see, they're a much dirtier, heavy-shelled oyster.
Oh, yeah.
They get really large.
Yes, sir.
These oysters here came off our cages. As you'll see with these oysters, these are actually considered triploids. They grow much faster. Although that the shells are thinner, the meats are usually typically fatter this time of year.
For me, as a chef, I'm looking at these for oyster stew, oyster casseroles, things like that, where I'm looking for more of the half shell or the Rockefeller or the Casino in this kind of oyster.
Exactly, exactly.
Well, Nick, here we are in the month of June, and you got a great harvest of oysters here. Tell me a little bit about that myth about the months, you know, without an R, and you can't have oysters. You know, where's the real truth of that?
So that all originated when the oyster season started from October to April. Now that the aquaculture is on the rise, we're able to provide oysters all year long. After certain months, we're required to be in at a certain time so the oysters don't get too hot on the boat, and then we allow them to chill in our coolers overnight before we can deliver them to the restaurants. After the chilling process is done, the oysters are 100% safe to eat.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I want oysters just as bad in June as I want them in January.
I agree with that.
Well, I am so ready to hook up these oysters with a delicious Oyster Rockefeller.
All right, well, let's get going. I got some oysters that I caught yesterday inside the plant there, and we'll get a box ready for you so you can get to it.
Let's do it.
All right. Here you go, buddy. Here's your box of oysters.
Thank you, Nick. These look gorgeous. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Don't forget to call me when dinner's ready.
You got it, brother. I'll be calling.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nothing gets fresher than these beautiful oysters straight out of the bay. Now let's go see a friend of mine for some farm fresh greens. Hello, Miss Becca.
Hey, Jordan.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great to see you. Great to be out on the farm here today with you.
Yeah, what are you looking for today?
I'm just looking for some bright, beautiful greens.
We do have lacinato kale, that's the Italian dark green.
Love that.
We've got Swiss chard,
Okay.
arugula, mustard greens,
All kinds of good options.
all sorts of stuff. Do you want to take a look?
I would love to.
All right.
Wow, Becca, it looks really incredible out here.
Thank you.
Let's check out this chard. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. The colors are so vibrant.
Yeah.
Well, can we harvest some for the Rockefeller today?
For sure.
What's the best approach to harvesting?
So I just look for leaves that look good, that are on the bigger side, but still bright green, and then I just cut them low down because, you know, the stems on Swiss chard are delicious.
Yep, we're gonna incorporate that for sure. That'll bring some fun color to this Rockefeller. Woo.
And here's our lacinato kale.
Oh, I love this. Look at this big blue hue.
Yes.
Wow, and this comes by a few different names.
Yeah,
Lacinato
so
kale, right?
people call it dinosaur kale because
Dinosaur
it
kale?
looks kind of prehistoric.
Yeah.
Or Tuscan kale, you know, 'cause it's
right,
Italian
Tuscan.
variety. Yeah, you can we just like snap it right off. So you
Okay.
grab whatever looks good. And as you can see, I think I planted more than I needed this year, so I got tons of it.
Becca, thank you so much for just, you know, allowing us to come out on your farm. And
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thanks for coming out.
welcome to Hamilton House Events and Catering here in Easton, Maryland. I'm excited to be preparing Oysters Rockefeller in the thick of summer. Before we can do anything though, we gotta open up these oysters. Is just open that thing up, just like that. Come across, crack that open, slide it down, open it up, and we got this beautiful oyster ready to go. Dozen oysters, shucked, clean, ready for its creamed kale and Swiss chard. To really get this started, we have to start with a beautiful cream sauce, which is a classic mother sauce called bechamel. We're gonna steep our milk with these beautiful spices. We gotta develop some character in this cream. We have our beautiful greens here. We're just gonna run our knife through, Doesn't need to be small, it can be very simple, very chunky. It's gonna all cook down really beautifully. So our bechamel is really coming together. I'm gonna strain this right in here. We wanna cook this kale down just a little bit so it really breaks down really easily. We're gonna bring our mixture over here and then just one by one, we're gonna very carefully just top each one. And you just put a little bit of breadcrumb on top. So these are ready to go in the oven. We'll see you in about 10 minutes. So we bring these oysters out. Oh my gosh, they're looking good. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe what we just created together. Well, here you have it, Oysters Williwaw. Now, I gotta tell you, I've been waiting for these oysters all day, and I have to snag a bite. Outstanding. Go get this recipe, mpt.org/farm. You're gonna love it.
That looked delicious. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. To learn more about our show and watch full episodes, check out mpt.org/farm or just click the link in the description.